everyone, today I want to show you how to tie a t-shirt. This is fine, but I think it just makes my body look kind of weird, and it is very, very long. But I wanted to show you 3 ways that you can tie your shirts and be able to wear it with skirts or over a dress or something like that and make it hit the smallest part of your waist and look a little bit more flattering than just wearing a big boxy t-shirt. So let's get into it. The first way to tie your shirt is you can do it the normal way that I've seen before, is you just take it all in front and then you wrap it around your finger and then you pull the little tail through, and then you can just leave it hanging in the front. You can do it on the side, you can tuck it in, you can flip it over, kind of like that. I prefer to have it out, but this is just a really easy, simple way that you can tie a shirt. It's super fast and really easy to do, and I do this with different skirts or even just a pair of jeans like this. I think it looks really cute and effortless and hits me at a better point than having it halfway down my leg. The second way I have to tie a shirt actually doesn't make it look like you tied it at all. I'll flip around so you can see, but first I fold the shirt up a little bit and then I turn around and I tie it in the back, kind of like how I did it in the beginning. But I tie it, let's see if I can get it, and then you can either roll it up or you can tuck it into the back of your pants. But then it just makes your shirt hit at a little bit more of a flattering angle and be able to hit at the top of your jeans, and so you have all of that length with your legs. The third way I have to tie a shirt is actually a way I learned from the Fashionably Broke teacher. You have to follow her on Instagram because she is amazing. First, you take both sides kind of like this and you tie it like you're tying a shoe. So you put one over the other and pull it through, and it just makes a little bow. I just pulled it out. Let me do it again. But it makes a little bow like this, and then you can do it in the front, on the side, in the back. But I think this is a really cute way, especially over a skirt. It looks adorable. So this is one of my favorite ways to do it now, and I feel like it stays a lot better than the one where you just tie a knot in the front, and I just think that it looks amazing. Those are the 3 easy ways to tie a t-shirt. Let me know which ones that you've tried or what you want to style with it. Let me know if you want to see a video on how to style tied t-shirts. I would love to do a video about that. Or if you have any other styling tips that you would like to see or like to know how to do, leave those down in the comments. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified every single time I post. Thanks for watching.